Google Sheets not too long ago received a feature that will put it right up there on the list of project management tools. Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from KloudGem.com. Years ago, I worked in project management. And also, let's face it, as business owners, we have to be project managers on a daily basis, whether we like the title or not. And so sometimes people ask me what my preferred project management tool is. My answer is always Google Sheets. While Google Sheets is not primarily a project management tool, I adopted it a long time ago to be one. Why? Because as a project manager, I needed to socialize my plans, get input from stakeholders, and keep them up to date. When I use dedicated project management tools, invariably, I ran into the issue that the stakeholders weren't able to access my beautifully crafted project plans. So I said, fine. Let me use a tool that everybody has access to, that everybody can edit files in, that everybody can comment in, and that was Google Sheets. Because all I had to do was share the sheet with comment, edit, or view access, whichever was needed. But back then, the Gantt charts had to be manually drawn and had to be manually redrawn where there was a change. So I was very excited to see that Google not long ago introduced the timeline feature into Google Sheets, which allows you to automatically create a Gantt chart from a set of data. This feature is available in the paid version of Google Workspace. Let's look at what the timeline feature looks like. Open a Google Sheet and input your activities as well as their start and end dates. Then click on Insert Timeline. It will have you confirm the data range, and then it will create the Gantt chart for you. To change the chart, go back into the Data tab, make the edit, and the chart will refresh for you. You can even color code certain activities as you need to. There are ways to get a bit fancier with your Gantt chart, but I won't say that this is the most sophisticated project management tool I have ever seen. Nonetheless, and I have to emphasize this, it's a wonderful improvement to Sheets and something that's right under your fingertips in Google Workspace. If this tip helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel, subscribe and click the bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time.